Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Today's video, of course, we're going to be going over Bitcoin, Ethereum, Matic, Cardano, and Solana, my favorites. Uh, you know, Solano's been kind of slacking lately, and I'm going to go over why. Why I'm seeing weakness in Solano. We're also going to talk about the Cardano move we had, guys. We crushed it from yesterday. If you guys watched yesterday's video and you took the trades, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. But guys, if you would have took these trades from yesterday's video, I mean, you guys would have crushed it. First of all, look at Bitcoin, guys, just killing it. We are showing a little bit of topside weakness here. You can see right here on the 4 hour. We did hit a little bit of weakness, but we did finally get past my mark that I wanted to. We got a little bit more upside. But Bitcoin, ever since the golden cross, guys, has just been absolutely exploding. Basically exactly as I predicted, guys. This is great. This is we had this move, we had the explosion, we had our bounce areas. We hit them twice, once here, caught this move, once here, caught this move, and then we caught this move. So nice job here on what we're trying to do. All right, so let's go to Ethereum chart. Bitcoin, um, before I go back, we could trade in this range a little bit and then pop back up to the upside. So keep an eye on that, a little sideways and then maybe a little up from here. But I'm expecting 49 at some point. So keep an eye on that. Um, Guys, Ethereum looks good. I mean, Ethereum looks like we're going to push up to this 36.57 mark and higher. Let's see if we can get up there. So far, so good. We had our bounce in my zone. I mean, literally, guys, I mean, we crushed this one again, too. We had this one down here that we had, too. And we had these ones that we hit to the dollars back here, which were nice, which we had huge explosions. I mean, we crushed it on that trade, guys. I mean, look at this. I mean, from here to here, first of all, we had this move that we took that was 14%. Then we called this bottom to the dollar after we hit my sell zone. We took profits, and then we bought back in down here and ran it all the way up to 32 more percent, guys. I mean, come on, that was awesome. But anyways, now what do we got? Let's see what happens in this area. Let's see if we can break it. If we break it, then we're going to look for more upside. If we get rejected, then we could come back down and retest this area, um, and then go back up. So let's see how this reacts. Let's see if we get a 4 hour candle closing above this. That would be nice. Maybe we can get some more continuation there as well. So this is forming nice. We broke out of my pattern, guys. I talked about in yesterday's video. Another awesome trade. You guys would have took this. That is another. That's a nice little 5% gain right there. Let's see, Matic, guys. Woo! I actually just drew this up. Okay, I didn't have any of this on. All we had was our pattern. We talked about this yet in yesterday's video, confirming the confirmation on this bigger move. We got the bigger move. I told you guys this looks really good. So if you guys would have took this trade from yesterday, that was another almost 9% move right there on Matic. Awesome. If we continue, I would like to break this little angle I have here in this channel here that we have, and maybe get up to this upside before we see any kind of pullback, guys. If we do come out of this channel in any time, we could see a little pullback, so just keep that in mind. But we also could go higher in this channel before we see that pullback. Okay, so that's what I'm looking for Matic. Cardano, guys, look at this thing of beauty. I mean, did we? I mean, awesome. Not only did we blew past our target, okay. Then we came back and we're retracing it. So now it's holding as support. So now we want to see $2.50 hold as support. But guys, I drew this up yesterday. I said we break this, we're going skyrocketing. We broke it, and that was another 8.5% move. Guys, awesome. Let's see if this holds up as support. I am in the long term still looking for this bigger move here. We have this bigger trend here that I'm looking to maybe break out of soon. I think once we do that, we could see Cardano. You can see how I drew it up. We're either going to fold down here or go up. we're going up. Let's see if we can break out of here, trade a little sideways, and go. And then if we do that, I'm looking for more upside, guys, into this. Okay, so looking good, looking good. Um, Solano, Solano's looking kind of weak, guys. I'm not gonna lie. It looks like we could be developing an M pattern here. Let me get rid of these little fibs that I drew real quick here. We don't need that. Um, but yeah, because they actually meant nothing. I was just trying something out with settings and stuff. But yeah, we could develop. You could see an M pattern possibly developing, guys. Yesterday, with Solano crashing, really changed my outlook on Solano. Just because I thought they could hold. But let's see if this M pattern holds, or let's see if this M pattern develops. If it does, then we could see more downside. Um, so just keep that in mind. Um, yeah, we could test my area again at 143. So let's see if that happens. Right now, though, we are getting support on my trend line. So let's see if that holds up and bounces back up. If that does, then that could look for more to the upside. If this folds under and gets back into this trend, guys, if this falls back into this pattern, then yeah, we could see the M pattern develop and possibly going back down to the downside. Okay, so keep that in mind. I'm not going to make this video too long because I'm going to make another video later tonight, and give you guys an update on everything. Ethereum's looking good. Matic's still looking good. Let's see if we can break out of that. Cardano, let's see if the 250 holds up. Solana, let's make sure this holds up and this doesn't form into this M pattern, because if it does, yeah, then we could retest that 143 area, and maybe even go lower, guys. This is showing weakness now. Ever since that crash, it kind of showed that it really can't handle too much, and they have to get that fixed. I'm sure they'll fix it, or if it's not already fixed. But at the same time, that's not a good sign, guys. When things are getting breached, because as much as I love Solano before this breach, you got to look at Ethereum and you say, yeah, you pay more for Ethereum when it comes to projects. But guys, Ethereum, when do you ever hear Ethereum getting breached? Never. Just doesn't happen. So there is a security risk there on Solano, which kind of makes me nervous. We'll see how this plays out on the charts. Do I still think Solano is going to get to 300? Now we'll have to see. We'll have to see, guys. Or I had a long-term target for 1K. I mean, that's if Bitcoin, of course, goes up, to 120, 130, or whatever everybody's expecting it to do. Yeah, and I expect all these coins to go up, but I expected Solano to be a big player in this. So, it's very disappointing. So we'll see how this plays out. We'll see how it goes. But yeah, right now we do have this M pattern developing, but right now we are getting that good bounce. So we have to see this bounce to the upside. We are getting this little pullback on Ethereum. Not much though, guys. It's still looking really good. This is all still looking good. Maybe a little sideways and then up. Um, guys, everything's still looking solid until it's not. All of our moves, we crushed it on everything, except for Solana. We had a little pump, but we just didn't get the break. We're showing weakness, so that was the only one that we didn't really get going. But everything else has been absolutely on point. Excuse me. I can't play with that. Sorry, the cat was playing with something that she shouldn't have been. And I think that's it for tonight's video, guys. Make sure you guys sub to my YouTube channel, hit the bell, hit the all, because they do shadow ban me. And, so sometimes if you Google my videos or whatever, sometimes you won't even see them or you'll miss them. So it's very important to sub. I did get banned permanently off of TradingView for posting videos. So for some of you guys that were interested in that, then yeah, that kind of sucks. So yeah, that happened. What else? I think that's it. I'm going to put a link to Webull in the description, guys. You guys can go to Webull, okay, and if you guys use my link, you'll get free shares. And what I'm trying to get people to do, just for a long term, you never know. It's like a Doge, which, like I tell people, uh, I invested $400 in Doge, and it turned out to be a $140,000 move. So, guys, these little money makers could make you some money. And what I'm trying to do is get you guys to download the Webull, get the free shares. You have to deposit $100. You got to wait a couple days, then you get the free shares. Once you claim your free shares, you can take your $100 back, or you could buy SHIB with it or whatever. But also, they're running a promotion. If you share with 3 of your friends, you get a $150 Apple stock right now. So you could always take your money back out, and just literally you could buy millions of shares of SHIB. And guys, if it does go to a penny or 10 cents or whatever, you guys are going to make a lot of money for just basically for free. So that's what I'm trying to help you guys out with. And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is my opinion. This is just educational purposes only, but I will put the link in the description. Um, Everything's looking good so far. Let's see how this closes tonight at 8 o'clock. I'll do an update after 8 o'clock tonight, so make sure you guys are ready for that video. And make sure you guys hit the thumbs up. Much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching, and I will talk to you guys later tonight. Peace out.